program from the Alabama Community College system is training students to install fiber optic cable. The program is growing in popularity, especially following news this week that more federal dollars will help expand high-speed internet in our state. WSFA 12 News political reporter Aaron Davis with more on how this program works.
A record number of Alabamians are already training for fiber optics technician and installer jobs through the Alabama Community College system's Skills for Success.
Florence to Dothan and everywhere in between, if someone has taken our course, they'll be able to have that exact same training to install things the exact same way.
The program launched a year ago, but Governor Ivey's broadband announcement earlier this week is expected to drive more people to the program.
You start at this spot and then you can move into these different avenues. And so we show them, hey, there's a great benefit immediately, but also there's a pathway for you professionally and, of course, financially.
Fiber optics technicians make $20 to $25 per hour. Demand is expected to increase by 8% by 2031, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. Once trained in Alabama, technicians will lay down the fibers for the state's middle mile network, a series of wires that will bring broadband to underserved communities throughout the state.
The type of people that do this, they like the adventure because they're not putting this in easy places.
Fiber lines go in tunnels, under neighborhoods, and on power poles, but Blackwood says it's a rewarding profession.
They're helping people. They're making somebody's life better because now they can do remote doctor visits, remote work, or just stay in touch with their family. And so that you bring that to people and that makes them happy.
The program is free because of allocations in the Education Trust Fund. During the last legislative session, lawmakers allocated $15 million. Aaron Davis, WSFA 12 News, Montgomery.
And if you're interested in that program, we've placed a link in this story on our website.